Alright, let's continue the previous video. So I forgot to tell you that if a is 10 plus a and b is 10 plus b, I mean uppercase A, big A equals 10 plus A and B equals 10 plus small b, then big A times big B becomes 10 times big A plus B plus small a times small b, like this. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, 11 times 11 times 11. Firstly, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 11 plus 1 is 12. Then 12 1. Next, 12 times 11. 2 times 1 is 2. 12 plus 1 is 13. Then 13 2, or 132. 13 times 11 equals 3. Then 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 3, 143. 14. You know the patterns. It becomes this. 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 5 plus 1 is 5. 16 times 11. This becomes 17 and 6. 17. This becomes 18 7. 18 becomes 19 8. 19 becomes 20, not 29 but 209. Next, let's go back to, no, we're not going back to 11 times 12 because we've done it already. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so let's just go to 12 times 12 equals 2 times 2 is, let's just 12 plus 2 is 14. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Next is 13. 13 times 12 is 13 plus 2 is 15, and 3 times 2 is 6. 14. This becomes 16 8. 15. This is special case. This is not 1710, but it becomes 180. 16. Again, we'll just go to 6 times 2 first, so it's 2 with carry of 1, and 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 17. Well, you know the pattern. 4. 17 becomes 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. 204. 18 times 12. This is 6. 18 plus 2 is 20. Then 21. Lastly, for 12 digit and 12 is this becomes 8. This becomes 2 to 8. Now 13 times 13. 3 times 2 is 9. And 13 plus 3 is 16. Times 13. This is 12. So just write 2. 14 plus 3 is 17. Plus 1 again, then becomes 182. This becomes 5. 19. This becomes 16 8 with carry of 1. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. 208. 17 times 13. This becomes 1 with carryover of 2. But 17 plus 3 is 20, so it's 22. 221. 18. 18 times 13. This becomes 4. Then 23. 234. 19. This becomes 7. 19 plus 3 is 22. Plus 2 is 24. Then 24, 7. Next up is 14. 14 times 14 is, this becomes 6. 14 plus 4 is 18. Plus 1 becomes 19. 15 times 14. This becomes 0 with carryover of 2. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. So 21 0 or 210. 16 times 14. This becomes 4 in the end. 24. So 16 plus 4, it becomes 20. 20 plus 2 becomes 22. Then 2 to 4. Next, 17 times 14. 7 times 4 is 28. 17 plus 4 is 21. Then plus 2 becomes 23. 18, this becomes 2. 18 plus 4 is 22. Add 3 from the 32 earlier becomes 25. So 252. Lastly, 19 times 14. This becomes 6 in the end with carry of 3. 19 plus 4 is 23. Plus 3 is 266. Move on to 15s. So 15 times 15 is, well, 225, but let's this is 5 with carryover of 2, and 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22, then 225. This is 6. Then 16 times 15. This becomes 0 at the end. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. Then 240. Or 240. This is 17. This is 5. 3 with 3 in the carry, and 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. Then 25 5 255 255. Next, 8. 18 times 15. This becomes 40 at the end. Carry over 4. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. So 270. Lastly, 19. 19 times 15 is, this ends with 5 with carry of 4. 19 plus 5 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So 285. Now 16. In the 16s we have 6 times 6 is 36 with, so remember the 3. 16 plus 6 is 22. Add the 3 and we'll get 25. So this will become this. Next, 17. This ends with 2. 17 plus 6 is 23. So this would be 272. 18 times 16. This ends with an 8 with carry of 4. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28, and 288 is the result. Lastly, 19. This will become 4 in the end. 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. So 304. And whoop, 17 times 17 is, ends with 9. This ends with 9. with carry of 4. 17 plus 7 is 24. So 24 plus 4 is 28. Then the result is 289. Now 18 times 70 is, and this ends with 6. 18 times 7 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. So this is the result, 306. Lastly, for the 17s, this ends with 3, and 19 plus 7 is 26. 26 plus 6 is 32. 18 times 18, this becomes 4, as in 64. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 6 is 32. Then it's 324. Second to last, 19 times 18. This will end with a 2, with carry of 7. 19 plus 8 is 17. 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. Lastly, 19 times 19. This is 1 with carry of 8. 19 plus 9 is 38. 38 plus 38. 19 plus 9 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. Well, these are the 45 combos.